quick video review of my new favorite makeup product. It's called the Cali Contour Palette, and it's from Smashbox. So if you've been wanting to get in on the contour trend, but are kind of intimidated, don't know where to start, this is a great one to start with. I'll show you more about these colors, but the reason I love it is it comes with this, which shows you exactly where to put each color if you want to have the true contour effect. You can blend it all together and just have a full glowing face without a ton of makeup. Now, even though this is powder, it's really velvety. So, I was worried it would make my face look dry, but I have this on right now. I have older skin, I'm over 45, but it does not make me look dry. So yeah, this is the matte bronze. You would put that like in your usual contour places here. I'm not gonna do it because I've already put it on. This is the blush, so you put that on the apples of your cheeks. This right here is the matte bronzer, so you put that anywhere where you want like a little extra highlight, like up here. Or sorry, it's the shimmery bronzer. Then this is the shimmery highlight, so you might put that like on your cupid's bow, down the center of your nose, on your brow bone, things like that. And then this big one is the matte highlight. So it makes it super easy to use. It gives you a beautiful glowing look, and I just really like this palette.